Virginia. This is Lupin. Lupin is with me for our famous 2-week board and train program. He's obviously a German Shepherd, and for all you Harry Potter fans out there, you should know who Lupin is. But anyways, he's here to become awesome. His owners just want him to be able to be off-leash capable and for them to be able to walk him downtown without him pulling on the leash and everything. He's already a great dog. We're just going to make him even better. So Lupin, come. So obviously he's distracted, so there's no off-leash there for that. Hey, can you sit? I know you know sit. They said you did. Good sit, good boy. Can you hold it? No. All right. Lupin, sit. Good. How about down? Down. He's like, no thanks, lady. All right, guys. I look forward to showing you an amazing off-leash capable dog after this. Enjoy his after video.